Let's find out where DJs get their music from. There's so many places, so this is a complete guide to how to find music if you're a DJ. Not only that, we have a fresh, brand new music pack that you can get for free. Just watch through this video to find out how. So the most tried and tested place, let's start with the DJ pools. DJ pools are a subscription service where you can go in for a monthly fee or a 3-monthly fee or a yearly fee, download music directly onto your hard drive to then put in your software to go and DJ out live. So here is a list of all the top DJ pools. We have BPM Supreme, DJ City, Digital DJ Pool, Zip DJ, the Mashup, Doing the Damage, DMS, and Digital Music Pool. Firstly, let's dive into BPM Supreme. We work alongside them a lot, collaborating on curated mixes every month. You see here it's got new releases, trends, playlists, curated set, scratch tools, and you can choose music by genre and moods. They have great originals as well, and you can find curated playlists from DJs from around the world, from pretty much every single genre. BPM Supreme offers an application which essentially mirrors their website. You can go and add to your crates on the fly. So if you're on a long journey, on a train somewhere, you can go preview all the tracks and then you can add them into your crate for a later date to download when you have access to your laptop or computer. Of course, we have DJ City. DJ City has been running for 20 years and it is one of the most popular DJ pools still to this day. Again, you've got so many genres to choose from: hip hop, house, Latin, pop. You pay a monthly subscription. You've got special remixes and special curated playlists, most popular, top trending tracks in each genre, and loads more. DJ City offer a great app to go alongside their website. If you're traveling about, you can add tracks to your crate on the fly so that when you have access to your laptop, you can go and download them straight to your laptop or computer. Digital DJ Pool, also another big record pool. Again, exclusive remixes, charts, every genre imaginable, and it boasts a very cheap price point. If you go to pricing, you can have 5 days for just $1.20 a month. So it's very competitive. A new one on the block is Zip DJ. Just updated their website. It looks professional and clean. They have different plans that you can buy as well. You can buy a yearly subscription, which will only be $35 every month. You've got 320 kbps MP3 files, unlimited downloads, brand new music added every day. One of my favorite platforms, which is a bit lesser known, is the mashup.co.uk. As the name states, this is one of the most unique DJ pools out there. There are thousands and thousands of mashups curated by DJs, mainly in the UK, that on a weekly basis upload brand new remixes, mashups every week. Also, they do have the standard extended mixes and mixes with intros, with outros, with a cappella intros. So there's such a variety on here on the mashup.co.uk. Also, a slightly lesser known one is Doing the Damage. Now, if you're a house music fan, this one is for you, specifically a house music DJ pool. The main reason a lot of DJs opt for a DJ pool instead of a streaming service is for all of the DJ friendly edits, such things as intros, outros, extended mixes, a cappella intros, mashups, etc. Now let's talk about the quickest growing source to get your music, which is streaming. Now we have a fully comprehensive streaming guide. Just search for Crossfader streaming guide and I'll put some links to it in the description as well. The main streaming services are BeatSource Link, Beatport Link, Tidal, SoundCloud Go, and Deezer. So here is a quick visual of all of the DJ softwares that support streaming and what streaming services are available. So just feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot for quick reference. The best thing about streaming is the price. It's a lot more affordable than DJ pools that are typically around $30 a month. You can expect to pay around $9.99 for a streaming service. The main thing to know about streaming services are you do not own the music. So If you turn up to a gig and you're expecting to play a playlist and you have bad internet connection, you can't just go and play that. If you're recording a mix, your software will stop you from being able to press record because you do not own the rights to the song. Another downfall to streaming is you can't build a playlist and then transfer it. So if you're adding tracks to a playlist, you want to stick it onto a USB to then go and play on CDJs at a venue, for example, you won't be able to export that playlist because, again, you do not own the music. Also remember, if you're building up a playlist in your streaming service and that service decides to close down or change the way it operates, that whole playlist will be gone forever. Now, streaming services are getting better and better at offering offline storage, meaning you can store a certain number of tracks to play offline when you turn up to a gig. One of my favorites is BeatSource Link. It integrates with Serato, Recordbox, DJ, Virtual DJ, Hercules, Denon, Tractor, and Dex. The beauty in streaming is its simplicity. I can go on to something like Tidal or Beatport Link, curate my own playlist, title it what I want, and it will appear directly in my chosen software. Like I say, the prices for streaming services are pretty affordable. They start from $4.99 a month on something like SoundCloud Go and go up to around $14.99 a month for Beatport Link, but go right up to a pro version of $44.99 where you get exclusive things like Beatport Cloud, full playback on tracks, personalized library, 100 tracks offline storage, etc. Let's talk about where to get free music. Now, this is exciting because we have a brand new music pack for 2021 that you can have for absolutely free. I'll put the link in the description, or you can just search Crossfader Music Pack 2021. So if we take a look, we've got pop and mainstream, drum and bass, techno, hip hop, trap, Afro beats, garage, bassline, bass house, EDM, and just house music. And you can go in there and have all of these tracks downloadable for absolutely free. It's something that we've worked hard on in the last 12 months to deliver to you guys, and we're happy that we can bring it to you now so you can go and get working on them. We'll also be putting out various mixes using the music within this free music pack. Another place you can find music is just by searching YouTube. There's a lot of uncopyrighted free music that you can download. Just take some searching, but if you go and search, for example, free EDM music download, I've found one here where I just click show more and it will give you the links to the various track downloads. Hyped It is a place for producers to build engagement and a fan base through their SoundCloud. So once you've found a track that you really like and you really want to download, Hyped It will just ask you to engage either by commenting, following that producer, or dropping in your email address. Once you've done that, you can download your track for absolutely free. A way to take a lot of the hassle out of searching for music constantly on a daily basis is to join a mailing system. And the biggest and best one is definitely InFlight. So all you need to do is go to inflightApp.com and request to join their platform. One thing to note about InFlight is you need to be approved. So you need to send proof that you are a working DJ of some sort. You will need to send in your social media accounts so they can double check and just make sure that you are who you say you are. What InFlight is a promotion delivery platform. So labels from around the world email you directly through InFlight's email system their brand new releases. Once you've signed up, you also need to reach out to all the individual record labels and ask them to be on their mailing list. They will then deliver you tracks through the InFlight app, but this can take quite some time to build up your preferred list of record labels. Now let's talk about samples and effects. Things like lasers, glass crashes, swooshes, uplifters, build-ups. So we have a free sample pack that you can just go ahead and download. Just search Crossfader sample pack and you will find it. I'll also leave some notes in the description. Also, one of my favorite places is splice.com. Splice is one of the biggest sample banks in the world, mainly used by producers to make their own original tracks, but they do have a lot of effects and DJ effects that you can use in your mixes at any time. How it works is you pay a monthly subscription, you get a certain amount of credits every month. Once your credits have run out, you can upgrade, or you can just wait until next month where your credits are topped up again. And it works the same for loopmasters.com. The difference with Loopmasters is you can go in and buy individual packs to download as a zip file. There's also BPM Create, which is a sub-branch of BPM Supreme. Again, similar vibe, you pay a monthly fee and you get access to thousands and thousands of sound packs. Another great tip is the app Shazam. So you might be driving around in a car, you might be in a nightclub, you might be at a restaurant and you hear a song that you haven't heard before. All you need to do is pull out your phone and use the Shazam app. Just tap it and it will find the track for you and it will store it in your Shazam library. It also works brilliantly with Apple Watches. Just open up your Apple Watch, tap on the play button, and it will save it into your app. And finally, you can go and buy individual tracks to download onto your hard drive from various sources. Here we have one of the most famous ones, the biggest ones, beatport.com, predominantly a electronic music platform, but has tons and tons of genre. You've got the Beatport Top 10, which is globally famous for the biggest house tracks in the world. And you can go on there, preview it, and then you can just add to your cart all the different tracks, check out, hit download, and then you'll be able to download them. Of course, we have iTunes, the iTunes Store, not to get confused with Apple Music, which is the streaming, but iTunes Store, where again, you can go and buy individual tracks for you to download, drag into your software, whatever you're using, and play it out. And also, we mentioned BeatSource link in the streaming section, but on BeatSource, you can go and buy individual tracks. If you click on the drop-down menu next to a track, you'll see add to cart, and then it'll be added to your cart. And then all you do is just check out as normal, download, and play away. Remember, guys, we have a brand new for 2021 free music pack that you can go and download right now. Start mixing, start getting creative, and have fun completely copyright and royalty free. Thanks for watching your complete guide to where DJs get their music from, and I'll see you again in another video.